The most promising ultra-luxury residential project is taking shape right here at Raidurgam, Gachibowli. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. I'm Abhinav from Raghava, a brand synonymous with world-class projects, top-notch quality and trust. I'm excited about the pace at which the construction is happening, and I take immense pleasure in updating you about the construction progress as on 6 July 2024. The project comprises of 3 towers and each tower has 4 level basements. In Tower 1, basement level 4, level 3, level 2 and level 1 are 100% completed. Above ground floor, 11 meters tilt 1 level works are 100% completed. The first floor, second floor, third floor and fourth floor works are 100% completed. The fifth floor works are in progress. Raghava is committed in delivering the project on time, and in line with our commitment, we have replaced the old contractor due to delays and deployed the new contractor. The delayed work will be completed within 2 months. In Tower 2, basement level 4, level 3, level 2 and basement level 1 are 100% completed. Above ground floor, 11 meters tilt 1 level works are 100% completed. The works from 1st to 10th floor are 100% completed. The 11th floor works are in progress. In Tower 3, basement level 4, level 3, level 2 and level 1 are 100% completed. Above ground floor, 5 meters tilt 1 level works are 100% completed. 5.5 meters tilt 2 level works are 100% completed. First floor, second floor and third floor works are 100% completed. Fourth floor works are in progress. Our chairman Mr. Harsha Reddy would like to apologize to our customers for the slight delay in Tower 1 and Tower 3. He assures that the delayed timeline will be caught up in the upcoming slabs. Our endeavour is to ensure absolute transparency in delivering unparalleled quality at every stage of construction and to provide you regular monthly insights of IRIS project progress. Thank you for watching and take care.